Hello everyone. In this demo, we will discuss how to connect SharePoint data with Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me go to SharePoint first. So as you can see, I have uploaded one Excel sheet in SharePoint folders. So now I will open this Excel sheet and from here open. And now I will go to File. And in File, I will click on Info. And from here, I will click on Copy Path. And now I will close this. And I will come to Power BI. And in Power BI, I will click on Get Data and click on Web. And I will paste the URL here. And here I will remove question web equal to 1. Now I will click OK. Now it is loading a data from SharePoint folders. And I will select my spreadsheet here. And I will click on Transform Data. So now as you can see the data here. And after that, I will click on Close and Apply. And now I will add a one column chart here. And I will adjust the size of the chart. And from my data, which I have loaded from SharePoint, I will just bring category on X-axis and total sales or sales amount on Y-axis. So as you can see, my column chart is ready. That's all. Thank you.